Hi there, I'm Jasmine. Ever feel like you're handing your hard-earned cash to the tax man with every purchase? I transform ordinary activities into legitimate tax write-offs. I paid for dinner with friends and legally recorded it as a business expense. My Florida vacation became 60% tax deductible by incorporating just 2 business meetings. It's like discovering hidden treasure in your everyday spending. Those same purchases you're already making can actually put money back in your pocket. And here's what's exciting. You could start accessing these entrepreneurial tax benefits without quitting your job or investing thousands of dollars. MAPB2B is revolutionizing access to these advantages, and it costs exactly $0 to get started. Plus, sharing this opportunity is as simple as handing out a gift of appreciation card, which you can do both online and offline. Turn your daily life into tax deductions. That cup of coffee you're drinking right now, it could actually be a business expense. I'm not kidding. Most people pay for everyday things like coffee, meals, travel, and even their home internet with money they've already paid taxes on. That means you're spending more than you need to on regular life expenses. Here's something most folks don't realize. The tax rules actually allow business owners to deduct many everyday expenses from their income before paying taxes. But there's a catch. You need to have a business to claim these deductions. This is why the average person misses out on thousands of dollars in tax savings every single year. Let me show you how this works with real examples. That dinner you had with friends last weekend? If you discuss business for part of the meal, it becomes a business meeting. Suddenly, it's a legitimate tax deduction. The spare bedroom or corner of your living room where you sometimes work? That can be a home office deduction of anywhere from 25 to 300 square feet of your home expenses. Even a portion of your car payment and insurance can be deducted when you use your vehicle for business purposes. These tax benefits add up quickly. The average person loses between $3,000 and $7,000 every year by not having the right business structure to claim these deductions. Think about that. Thousands of dollars that could stay in your pocket instead of going to the government, all completely legal and above board. Let's look at a simple example. When you spend $100 on dinner as a personal expense, it costs you the full $100. But when that same dinner becomes a business expense, it might only cost you $65 to $75 after tax savings, depending on your tax bracket. That's like getting a 25-35% discount on everything you buy that qualifies as a business expense. Travel is another area where having a business can save you serious money. A family vacation to Disney World becomes partially deductible when you add some business activities to your trip. For example, if you spend 4 days at the parks with your family, but also schedule 2 days of business meetings or research, about 60% of your airfare, part of your hotel stay, and those business meals become tax write-offs. Joan from Boston did exactly this with a trip to Hawaii, where she worked at a flea market and legitimately deducted many of her travel costs. Now imagine you're at a coffee shop, enjoying your latte, and you strike up a conversation with the owner. You hand them a gift of appreciation card, which introduces them to MAPB2B. Not only could this lead to a new business connection, but it also qualifies as a business activity, making your coffee a deductible expense. The same applies to social gatherings like weddings or parties. Sharing the card can turn a casual chat into a tax-deductible business interaction. Marketing MAPB2B is that easy, whether you're handing out the card in person or sharing it online through social media. But I don't want to quit my job or invest thousands to start a business, you might be thinking. This is where MAPB2B comes in. We give you access to these deductions without requiring you to leave your current job or spend a lot of money up front. You can start today and begin transforming your everyday spending into legitimate tax deductions. So, what exactly can you turn into business tax write-offs? Almost anything that serves a legitimate business purpose. This includes meals with potential clients or business partners, travel expenses when combined with business activities, a portion of your home expenses through the home office. Deduction: internet and phone bills when used for business car expenses for business-related driving. Educational materials and courses related to your business. computer equipment and office supplies, professional services like accounting or legal advice. For example, if you work from home occasionally for your new business, you can deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and internet. If you drive to meet a potential client, those miles are deductible. When you buy a new laptop that you use 50% for business, half of that cost becomes a write-off. The savings are real and completely legal. A business owner might pay $15,000 less in taxes than an employee earning the same amount. That's money you can use to invest, save for retirement, or simply enjoy a better quality of life. But having a business is just the first step. You need to know exactly how to structure your activities to maximize these benefits legally and safely. The taxman has specific rules about what qualifies as a legitimate business expense versus a personal one. You need proper documentation and a clear business purpose for every deduction you claim. This is why proper training is essential. You don't want to cross the line into questionable territory that might trigger an audit. With the right guidance, you can confidently claim every deduction you're entitled to while staying completely within the bounds of tax law. You need to know which expenses qualify, how to document them properly, and how to report them correctly on your tax return. Here's the best part. When someone accepts your gift of appreciation card, the marketing follow-up is done for you. Our automated 90-day follow-up system takes over, nurturing the lead and presenting the MAPB2B opportunity. The built-in done-for-you, automated follow-up system means that as a MAPB2B business owner, you only have one task. That task is to ask someone either in person or online, would you like to learn about a no-cost way to reduce the amount of taxes you pay to the government? If they say yes, which most do, your job is done. The hard part, the selling, is all done by the platform for you. That's so sweet, wouldn't you agree? If they join or make a purchase, you automatically earn commissions starting at 25% and going as high as 75%. You just focus on sharing the card, online or offline, and we handle the rest. MAPB2B gives you everything you need to start claiming these tax benefits today. Think about your life. Think about the things you'd like to do more of. Perhaps it's travel or meeting new friends, or just having more money. Are you a member of a gym? Do you like going to concerts or attend trade fairs like a home or auto show? By incorporating MAPB2B and our gift of appreciation card, all of these activities can easily and legally become tax-deductible adventures. You get both a legitimate business structure and expert training to do it right, without spending a dime up front. It's free to join, and you'll receive immediate access to Dory O'Neill's Tax Smart Fun, Deductions for Everyday Adventures course, a $149 value, and the How to Market Online course by John Thornhill and Omar Martin, valued at $600. Plus, you'll get a free pretty link and a template for the gift of appreciation card to start sharing right away. Visit mapb2b.com/free to get started. Imagine reclaiming thousands of dollars every year. You're already spending on meals, travel, and home expenses daily. Make these tax-deductible and keep more of your hard-earned money. Don't let another expense go unrewarded. Unlock your financial potential now at mapb2b.com/free. Dory O'Neill and the team look forward to helping you create a successful MAPB2B business. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the form of a question. Dory or a member of our team will be sure to answer. Your comments go a long way to help others enjoy a low-tax lifestyle. See you on the inside. Goodbye.